Namaste everyone. Welcome to IKM. In this video, we will see the meaning of Sankshepa Ramayanam from sloka number 61. Chakara Sakhyam Ramena Pritaschaivaagni Sakshikam Tato Vanara Rajena Vairanu Kathanam Prati. Sugriva heard everything about Rama and especially what happened to Sita in a very detailed manner. After that, in front of Agni, both become friends. Now, Sugriva expressed his love towards Rama. Ramaya veditam sarvam pranayaddukhitena cha pratignatam cha ramena tadavalivadham prati. Now, the monkey Sugriva expressed his love towards Rama and he also expressed his sorrow about Bali and enmity with Bali and other news in a very detailed manner to Rama. Valinascha balam tatra kathayamasa vanaraha Sugriva shankitaschaasit Nityam Viryena Raghave. At that time, Sugriva specially told about the strength of Bali, and Rama promised that he would kill Bali. But Sugriva had little bit doubt about Rama's power to kill Bali. Raghava Pratyayartham tu Dundubeh Kayamuttamam Darshayamasa Sugrivo Mahaparvata Sannibham. So Sugriva showed him the mountain-like skeleton of the Asura Dundubi who was killed by Bali so that he could gain more confidence in Rama. उत्स्मयित्वा महाबाहुः प्रेक्ष्य चास्ति महाबलः पादाङ्गुष्ठेन चिक्षेप सम्पूर्णं दशयोजनम्. Very strong Rama, who had long hands which reached up to his thigh. He was examined the huge skeleton and using his only the thumb of the right foot threw the skeleton for a distance of 10 yojanas without any effort. बिभेद च पुनस्तालान् सप्तैकेन महेशुना गिरिं रसातलं चैवं जनयन् प्रत्ययं तदा. Not only that, the 7 sala trees and also nearby mountains and the underworld all split into two by his single arrow. ततः प्रीतमनास्तेन विश्वस्तस्य महाकपिः किष्किन्धां रामसहितो जगाम च गुहां तदा. Convinced by these actions, the monkey king, the chief, who was very happy about Rama, took him to the cave called Kishkinda. ततो गर्जद्धरीवरः सुग्रीवो हेमपिङ्गळः तेन नादेन महता निर्जगामहरीश्वरः. Then that monkey chief Sugriva, who had a color similar to gold, roared, and hearing that huge sound, the king of monkeys, Vali, came out. अनुमान्य तदा तारां सुग्रीवेन समागतः निजघान च त्रैनं शरेणैकेन राघवः. After consoling Tara, when fought with Sugriva, Raghava killed him with one single arrow. ततः सुग्रीववचनात् हत्वा वालिनमाहवे सुग्रीवमेव तद्राज्ये राघवः प्रत्यपादयत्. After killing Wali, as per Wali wish, the Sugriva become king. Raghava made Sugriva the king of that kingdom, and Sugriva was very happy about that.